So hello everyone, this is Coding with Ojas. Today I will show you how you can use the JSON module in Python to load and save data. So now what is the JSON module? JSON module is the JSON module is actually a Python module which comes pre-installed with Python. So what it does, it helps you in loading and saving the data. So let's start. So here, how people will actually save and load data is something like this. So normally this is how most people will do: open files, open and save data in files. So if you don't know this open function, what this open function does is it opens a file. It opens a file and either it will open it in read mode or write mode. W stands for write, R stands for read, and so I'm going to use W if I want to save any data. So how normal people will do is file dot write, and then in the wrap, and then just a minute. Sorry about the inconvenience. My mom was calling. So how you use file.write is how really people will load and save data is they will save data something like this. They will write with open file.txt ws file and file.write. So here what you and then in this file.write you add the data you want to add. Let's do something like hello, this is coding with ojas. Coding with ojas. So here you would write something like this. You run it, nothing happens here, but if you go to your project folder and here it is. So here, hello, this is coding with ojas. So I'm going to delete this. Because I don't need it. So this is how normally people would do, but sometimes you might have seen people do like this. File is equal to something like this, and then they would have done something like this. So this is also not wrong. If you do something like this is also not wrong. But if you do something like this, you would have to manually close the file later, like this, file.closc, close. So this also takes like a line of space. This is much better if you do something like this with as fine. If you do it like this, it is much better, because this with and as statement will actually automatically close the file when it's opened. So that's why this is much better. Okay, so now you know common ways of actually saving and loading data. So what you do is import the JSON module, and this JSON module will be used. I'm actually going. So if you don't know, I shouldn't say this today right now. I will show you later. Okay. So you import the JSON module and type here. So using the JSON module is not that much also different than you normally opening and loading files. It is same only almost. With open, here will come the difference. So here if you write file, if you want to save anything in JSON files, you must use a JSON format, which is JSON. This is because we are going to use JSON modules. The JSON module to save and load data. Normally if you write txt and then use the JSON module, it won't work mostly. I mean, it will work, but it's not like very much powerful. It's not really fast. So that's why we use JSON. And then you write here W if you want to write, and R for read as FILE. Okay, so this is how you would normally do. And then if you want to dump any data or save any data, you should use this statement json, this method of JSON module, json.dump, and then what you write here is the text. Firstly, you must write the data you want to add. In this case, I'm going to make a data variable. This will be hello, my name is CODING coding with ojas, and then you would do this JSON data. First you will add what is the data you want to add to the JSON file. Then you will add the file which you want to be written with. So like FILE, this file. So this is the data which we are going to dump into the file. If you want to remember this, so just remember like JSON dump the data in file. So you should do something like JSON dump the data in file. So this is how I also remember. Actually, when I was also a beginner, I used to continuously forget that you should add the data first, then the file. I used to write like this, data and then file and then data. You shouldn't do like this. You do like this, data and then file. So this will create a JSON file and dump data into it. This. So here you will see nothing has changed, no errors. That's good. Now we have a JSON file. So here we have, hello, my name is Coding with Ojas. So this is already looking great. If you did till here, you should be feel proud of yourself. Give yourself a pat on your back. And now I will show you how you can use JSON files, the JSON module, to load data. So if you want to load data, you should do something like this. So first you delete this, and then write this as R for read. Oh, so that's what. So then what you do, if you want to load any data, what you must do is make a variable. Let's name it data, and this will equal to json .load. Don't use loads if it is for actually reading bytes. It is actually for reading any variable which is already open, something like this. If you should use load, not loads. You shouldn't use this. If you want to load data from another file, you should use load. And if you wanted to load from some variable, something like this, let's write json code. It would be mostly like this. Hello, my name is Ojas. Okay, let's write like this. So then you should write loads and then the JSON code. But right now we don't want to load any variable. We want to actually load this file, whatever is the content in this file. So you remove this and then load and then file. Now you run this. You should see nothing has happened. That means no error has occurred, and I should have probably written print data. So now if you write this, hello, my name is Coding with Ojas. So here it comes out. So this is how you can use the JSON module to load data from a JSON file. This is very powerful, and it is said that this is actually more faster than using text. So that's why we should use JSON files. So Now if you have made it this far, give yourself a pat on your back. You have done a great job. And now I want to tell you something. I have created a Discord server. This is my Discord server, and I am thinking of inviting you all to my Discord server, so you could join me and talk with me. So if you want to join this, you can go to the link in the description. In the link there will be in the description there will be a link to this server. So right now I haven't added any much text channels and voice channels, but you can come to my you can join this server and say hi, hello to me, and give suggestions on what to do with this Discord server. And even if you have any questions, what you could do, I will create this questions channel. Questions. So here, what you could do is go to this questions channel and type any questions if you want. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And one more thing, actually I am having a problem. So I wanted to create a GitHub repository here. This is actually a GitHub repository, but I don't know how to share this repository to you people using a link. So no, this is our GitHub repository. You see, this is, I don't know how to share this with you guys. So what you could do is join my Discord server and then you can ask me, and then you can tell me how I can share this link, and I will also maybe even send the link in the Discord server. So you can help me by joining this Discord server. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you also have a nice day. And also if you want this code, I think I will send it in the GitHub repository. Actually it is saved in the repository. And so I hope you enjoyed the video and have a nice day.